Okay, there are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different functions for you, so you can choose which you need. For example, the cryolipolysis. Okay, the machine is 2 handles, so it's the cryo 1 and the cryo 2. Both of them can be working together. The parameter is so easy to set. The time you can set, now it's 20 minutes. You can increase. Now it's decrease and increase. Maximum is 20. Then the same way here. And vacuum time and the release time. Clean it. Maximum is 9. So we can start it from 2 or 2.5. And the release time should be higher than the vacuum time. You can set 3 seconds. All the rover was okay according to the patient. This is the temperature. Minus 10 to 10 degree. Minus 3 temperature is the best for the operation. Okay, here is the same way to protect our skin. Put on the treatment area, and also we can cover a film to protect our handle. It's the necessary. Okay, after all the setting well, we just clean it. Then the handle will be working. Also clean another side. Then the two handle is working together. About the parameters, you also can directly set on the handle or on the screen. They are the same. Okay, make sure the cooling pad is cooling. Then we start the treatment. Okay, we need to wait some minutes. Now put the two handles on the belly. Two handles is working together now. If you want only one handle working together, just add another one. Okay. This is the tree handle. If you want to use it, you need to take off these two connectors, one of them. Take off and connect the handle to use. The two buttons here is control the cryolipolysis vacuum. Turn left is make it stronger. Turn left is release the vacuum. Okay. Turn left and turn right. It's so important about these two filters. It can't have any water on the bottle. If the bottle has water, there are two ways for you. First, use your finger to touch these needles. Then the water will be coming out. Or the second one is screw off this handle. The second way is just screw off this bottle. To pour out the water, then connect back.